Good morning to all. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to see the summary of Housebook chapter 12 House Mouse. It's a short story. This story is about a mouse who helped an old lady who did not like mice. From the story, we learn the importance of kindness and helping others in need, even if the person has not been kind to us in the past. Not only that, we must never underestimate anybody because everyone is special in their own way and good at something. Everyone is capable of doing things that others might not be able to do. So, now we are going to see a story about a mouse who helped an old lady who did not like mice. Mrs. Melody is an old woman who is lonely. She is so unfriendly that even if someone wishes her good morning, she scowls. Scowls means looked angry. She had no children, friends, or even pets. All she liked to do is to keep a clean house. There was a lonely mouse who lived beneath her sink. It never caused any harm to Mrs. Melody, but she still scared it away whenever she saw it. The mouse went away at times but always came back to the house because it was very lonely. One day, after hanging her wash dusters out to dry, Mrs. Melody slipped on the soap water and fell on the kitchen floor. Dusters means clothes for dusting furniture. The mouse was scared to find Mrs. Melody lying on the floor with her eyes shut. The worried mouse tried to wake her. When she woke up, she wondered how the mouse could help. The mouse ran to the garden and saw the dusters on the clothesline. He nibbled the dusters to form the word help. Soon, Mrs. Melody's neighbors saw the help sign and came to her rescue. Mrs. Melody is taken to the hospital. Mrs. Melody had broken her leg and was well taken care of by her neighbors. Mrs. Melody started smiling at everyone. She heard about how her neighbor had found out that she was in trouble and knew that it was the mouse that had saved her. Her neighbors wondered how she was able to put out the help message on the clothesline. Once home, she introduced the mouse to all her visitors, and when she was alone with the mouse, she told him that he was the cleverest mouse in the world. She kept the dusters to prove the same. After that, Mrs. Melody and the mouse became good friends. So, children, what do you understand from the characters of Mrs. Melody and the mouse? Mrs. Melody lives by herself. She hates even if someone wishes her a good morning and scowls if people try to talk to her. At the end of the chapter, you can see that she learned being nice to others is important. When she understands that, she began to smile at people and thankful to them. Now she became a warm and lovely neighbor to others. On the other hand, the mouse was a very helpful creature. He came back to Mrs. Melody for company even though she scared or shouted him away. Even though Mrs. Melody underestimated him, he believed that he could be of some help. The neighbors are very helpful. They save Mrs. Melody and take care of her when she is in hospital. So children, remember these points that we must always help someone in need and we must never underestimate anybody. So you should develop these qualities from your childhood. Helping others makes you feel good and a sense of togetherness. It also helps to make the world a happier place to all of us. Hope you understood this chapter well. Also practice reading of this chapter and complete your work. Next class we continue workbook. Again, I remind you, children, please complete your work on time and learn your chapters. Thank you.